Too bad she dumped you.
She didn't dump me. We're just taking a break.
Right. That's good. Can't believe you locked this thing, man.
The National Weather Service in Romeoville has issued a tornado warning for Jasper County in northwest Indiana until 3:30 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated strong rotation in a severe thunderstorm near 12 miles southwest of Rensselaer, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. The tornado is expected to be near Rensselaer by 2:50 p.m., Pleasant Ridge by 2:55 p.m., Moody by 3 p.m., Gifford by 3:10 p.m. Do not wait until you hear or see the tornado. Take shelter now. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Sunday evening for northwest Indiana.